Good evening guys. Nandito ako ngayon sa labas. Meron akong Meron akong evening sightseeing cruise and unlimited Prochecos. So may pagkain ulit. So na-night cruise tayo sa river. Anong oras na ba? It's already 6:39. And then, ang cruise natin is 7:15. Maganda na yung maaga. Kasi baka mawala na naman ako. Tingnan nyo, ang ganda. Ang ganda ng view, guys. Check this out. Yung part na yan is ang Buddha. Dahil nandito ako ngayon sa Pesh. Ayun, 7:15 until 8:45 yung cruise. So, magkano po ba ito bino? Nasa 50 euros ata? Or 30 euros? I forgot it already. So, ayun, mamaya kita-kits tayo sa loob ng cruise. Nakasakay na tayo sa cruise. So, meron silang the white wine, Prosecco. Tama ba? Prosecco, yeah. It is an Italian white wine. Unlimited. You can drink as much as you want. So, and dito ako sa side ng cruise. Mukhang tatlo lang ata kami. Kasi ang pinili kong option, ang kinuha kong option is unlimited Prosecco tsaka with option of food. So dito sa area na to, nagsiserve sila ng food. Pero dun sa kabilang area, sa may lower part, puro lang Prosecco. So ayun, let's see, merong bartender dito. Yan. Guys, mukha ko lahat ang solo flight dito. Lahat silang may mga partner. This is the Buddha, and this is the Pesh. So Buddha Pesh. Guys, as of currently, it's drizzling right now. So maambon na. Pero ayoko bumaba. Dahil magandang view dito. Pero sobrang lamig. It's 7 degrees Celsius right now. Kaya naman sana ang 7 degrees. Kaya lang mahangin. Nakakatog ako sa lamig. Yung kamay ko sobrang lamig na. Pero maganda. Worth it talaga. Guys, fourth glass ko na ito ng Prosecco. Prosecco, yeah. Sobrang sarap. Ilalasing na ako. Pero masarap. Cheers! Cheers! Fifth glass of wine. kahit mag-isa lang tayo. Enjoy naman. Six glass wine. Cheers! Guys, Prosecco, the best from Italy. Pero nakakatog na ako sa lamig. Tinitiis ko lang. Ninth glass of wine. Hi guys. Cheers.
Where are you from? Canada. Where are you from?
From Philippines, but I live in Ireland.
Oh, that's nice.
Have you been in Ireland?
No, I want to go. My
Oh
friend,
yeah.
our roommate is in Dublin right now.
Oh,
For St. Patrick.
oh yeah. If you like beer, go to
Oh my
Dublin.
God. Yeah, we will.
You,
Don't worry.
you will love
That
the
happens to
pub
me.
there.
That happens to be one of my favorite things.
Oh yeah.
Top 5.
This guy is from Canada. Guys, this is the Parliament building. It's so beautiful. We just finished our cruise and we're heading home now. Ano ba sasabihin ko? Hindi ko na alam sasabihin ko eh. From the start, ako lang mag-isa. Pero nung malapit na matapos yung cruise, I've met Canadian guys. They said they're studying from Spain. So, we had fun. And masaya. Yung binayad ko worth it from what I experienced. So see you tomorrow guys. I'm so drunk. Bye bye.